Hello everyone, in this video we're diving into PHP Composer and exploring the concept of PSR-4 autoloading. Let's get started. So what exactly is autoloading? Autoloading is the automatic loading of PHP classes without the need for manual require or include statements. Instead of manually including each class file, the classes are loaded on demand when they are first used in the code. Before autoloading, you would have to manually include every class file like this. As you can see, you have to use require_once for each file, which can quickly become unmanageable, especially in larger projects. With autoloading, this process is automated, so you don't need to explicitly require each class. Now let's talk about PSR-4. PSR-4 is a PHP standards recommendation that specifies how autoloading should be implemented. In essence, it maps namespaces to directory structures. This means that the namespace of a class directly corresponds to the path where the class file is located. To configure PSR-4 autoloading with Composer, you need to define the autoload section in your composer.json file. Here we are mapping the app namespace to the source directory. This tells Composer to look for classes in the source directory that correspond to the app namespace. Here is an example of the directory structure. The composer.json file is at the root. We have a vendor directory, which is where all the project dependencies are located. The source directory contains the PHP source code. Inside the source directory, we have files like user.php and database.php, along with a model subdirectory that contains files like product.php. The structure here is key to PSR-4 autoloading. Now let's look at an example class. Here's a class named user inside the source directory. As you can see, the namespace is set to app, which matches the mapping we defined in the composer.json file. This is crucial for autoloading to work correctly. Finally, let's see how we can use autoloaded classes in our index.php file. First, you require the vendor/autoload.php file, which sets up the autoloader. Then you can use the use keyword to import the classes you need. After that, you can instantiate classes like user and product without needing to manually require their files. Composer autoloading handles the loading of the classes automatically. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.